everybody. I'm very pleased to be here in Singapore with Lawrence Lee. Hello, Lawrence.
Hi, hello.
So you have a founder of AI Singapore, and AI Singapore is very important because it's the place where all the technology from AI is implemented. So I let you introduce yourself.
Yes, thank you. So my name is Lawrence. I'm a director for AI innovation. I'm the first employee of AI Singapore, not necessarily the founder, but we have 5 directors and a chairman. So I'm one of the directors. So my role in AI Singapore is to really build the whole ecosystem for the industry, getting industries to adopt and accelerate the adoption of AI. And along the way, we also created a lot of talent development programs.
It's very interesting because here you have program in AI, but program for everyone and for specialists. And you have the companies, the MSCs and the SMEs needs, and you have a pool of specialists in AI. So perhaps the first question is about all the learning program. Can you explain what is it and for who?
So when we started, we needed engineers to work on our projects, on industry projects. So I needed to either hire or I needed to train them myself. And finding experienced engineers was very expensive. And therefore, we went the other route where we train good enough learners to become real-world engineers. So we call this the AI apprenticeship program. So that has been wildly successful. We have done this 19 times, 19 batches over the last 7 years. We have trained about 400 Singaporeans. So when I started AI Singapore, we only had like 3 engineers. Today we have anytime between 50 to 60 engineers working on projects for the industry, and most of them came through the apprenticeship program. But one of the other things that we found was that to get companies to come and do projects with us, they need to be educated on AI. So we also created AI for everyone to educate the SMEs, the professionals on what is AI, to demystify AI so that they're not afraid of AI. Only then will they come and do projects with me. So with that, AI for everyone today is very well known, it's popular, it's used in all the schools in Singapore. And along the way, we also created, AI for kids, AI for students, AI for industry, for working professionals who are not going to become AI engineers, but they just want to know enough AI to maybe work on some data sets and so on and so forth. So what we call generational AI talent development, right? From kids all the way to professionals.
Impressive, very impressive.
Thank you.
So my second question is about the needs and the companies' needs. How do you help companies to have solutions, perhaps with MVP or things like that, to improve their AI offers?
So the original program that we started with is called the 100 Experiments. 100 meaning I'm supposed my KPI is to do 100 projects for the industry. So with that, over the last 7 years, we have achieved that. We are on to our second 100 already. So typically within 6 months, we will complete a MVP for the company. It's a co-funded, co-creation model where if the project gets approved, AI Singapore will contribute half, the company will contribute half of the amount. And then we will assemble a team of engineers and the apprentice I spoke about to work on the project full-time for 6 months to develop the MVP. So, and last week, as part of ATX Enterprise, we also launched a new version of the AIAP for industry, where it is a shorter 3 months project leading to a POC, not an MVP. So we try to cater to the needs of the industry, depending on whether they need a POC or MVP and so on.
Very interesting. And perhaps the last question is about skills, because AI skills are very well explained, but sometimes we don't know exactly for people that don't have data, computer science, imagination or skills, what they need to know. So what is your point and how do you imagine the future of AI skills for everyone?
I think, I mean, that's one of the reasons why we have AI for everyone, where in that 3-hour course, there's no programming. It's not about programming. It's about getting the concept of what is AI, how AI works to the layperson. Because once he or she understands, oh, this is how an AI can read and understand text, or this is how an AI can actually see, they will then not become fearful. They won't think that AI is going to become sentient and self-aware, because it's nothing but a bunch of very complex algorithms, right, nevertheless, but it is still mathematics and computer science. So that is the approach of AI for everyone, for everyone. But obviously for those who are in schools, I encourage all the kids, all the students to learn computational thinking, computer science, programming, because moving forward, we are going to encounter more and more data in your school and your professional life, and therefore it is so important that you know how to work with data, whether is it using Python, whether is it using low-code, no-code tools, or using an LLM. You still need to know how to tell a large language model how you want the data to be analyzed.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lawrence, for all your insight and your valuable ideas. So to sum up, perhaps 3 main ideas. First, here in AI Singapore, it's one of AI program to give all the skills to everybody in the society to go with AI and to be AI ready. Perhaps second ideas, here this program, AI Singapore, can help company, whatever the size, SMEs, MNCs, to have an AI program and product. And third, it's AI skill reflection, because you work with university, with researcher, and you think about the future, and you improve the skills in AI for everyone. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.